All right, guys. I'm greeting you all and wishing you all a happy new year and a prosperous year. It's a new year. We're here for the year I've started already, so I know it's going to be a success. It's going to be a success here in our dealings, whatever we are doing. For the fact that we have our energy on that. We have our focus on that. We have our prayers on that. It's going to be a success. It's going to be a success. It's a year that is designed already for greatness in whatsoever we are doing. So I want to wish you a happy new year once more. And I also want to welcome you to my channel, John Best FX. Yeah, you know how we do it here. It's another powerful strategy I'm about to share to you guys. And this one, we'll be talking about how to trade every pair of any of the volatilities. I know we are going to be applying these strategies on any of the volatilities pairs, So this one, all I want you to do is to sit back and relax and watch how I am going to be doing. I'm going to be doing this one, so you can actually learn from this and make success in your trading and trade with, with all confidence and make some good money too from trading. The year I've started already. The year I've kickstarted, so also need to follow it up. See what we can achieve before the year runs out. And I know. With much focus and prayers, daily prayers, and all the rest of that, I know it's going to be a success for us. So I want to thank every one of you, and it's a pleasure to see every one of us into the year 2023. So it gives me joy that you guys are out there. I know you guys are well too, and I know you guys are well out there. So let me not bug you guys with much talk. Let's go straight to the business. I also want to, as always do, I want to appeal to you guys to please hit the subscription button, subscribe to my channel, and see how you can like my videos too as you're watching it. If my video interests you, if this strategy interests you, please. The best you can do for me is to like my video and subscribe to my channel, alright? And maybe drop some good comments too. All of that will also help and, give me some another gingering spirit, to make sure I put in more work so you can see how far we can go this year and make some good achievement for ourselves. So just like my video and subscribe to my channel. And I also want to inform you again that I have some packages I also run here too, like the VIP group is here, where you subscribe to my VIP signals. Wherever I drop signals, those winning signals, you are also entitled to win, to have a winning trade. Okay, so if you can call in for VIP group, to subscribe to VIP group, I'm there for you. And again, if you also want a mentorship too, so you can do this yourself too, it's better you do it yourself. It also gives you another addition to what you have already in your life. So if you're calling in for mentorship, I'm also there for you too. You can contact me for that too. I will sort you out. We'll make sure we are fine in that, okay? And I also want to let you know, I also manage accounts too. I also manage accounts. So if you want me to manage your account, trades in your account, and whatever profit I add to that account, we are going to split it 50-50. And by so doing, you go your way, I go my way, okay? But I can only tell you that I will make sure I trade your account very well for you, so we can keep a good relationship, okay? So if you want me to manage your account for you, you can call in for that. And how do you do all of that? So if you are seeing this video, while you're seeing this video, you can check down the description of this video. You are going to get my contact list here, which is the WhatsApp number and the Telegram link to all of that. You can easily contact me through those contacts there. So we can share whatsoever you're coming up with. We can discuss the way forward. All right. So if you are in for that, I've just told you already what to do, so you can call in for that. All right. Let's just discuss how we can go about this, trading these beautiful pairs. Here I'm trading Volatility 100, VIX 100. That's what I'm trading here. And let me also tell you the time frame we're going to be using here for our entry is going to be a 15 minutes time frame. All right, 15 minutes time frame. And the zoom level here too, we are zooming to a third zoom level. All right. So this is what we have, like what I have here in this screen. So I zoom to the left and I raise it up and this way, and something like this is good. At least it's more visible for everyone to see what is going on along the screen, right? So you can zoom to the third zoom level, all right? So all right, and again, this VIX 100 is very volatile. It's a trade that is a pair that earn you massive profit and also can also blow off your account too if you go it the wrong way. All right. So if you get it right, if you're patient enough and follow up whatever I will show you in this video, you can actually make a good profit while you're trading VIX 100. All right. So it's a very volatile pairs, okay, that earn you massive profit. What you do is just to do it the right thing, all right? Do the right thing, follow it the right way, and trust me, you're going to make money from this one. All right. So now, what I'll be doing here is to delete the indicator, so you can also watch how I place them, right? So for in case of those of us that are new here, so you can also learn how to place indicators. All right. So while you are placing this indicator, you can see here along the screen, top of the screen, you can see the F icon. You go and tap on it. All right. So you tap on it. The main chart, this thing will come up. So you tap on it. The indicator list will pop out. Again, the first indicator I'll be adding here should be I'll be adding the relative strength index, which is here. So this is the parameters I am going to be using here in this one. Okay, the period is 200 and the apply to close. The size, I'm using ISO 2 because I don't want the line, I don't want anything. That's why I'm also using the color of my background. So you do well to use the color of your background. And these are the level. These are the level, or have the level 10 and the level 90. So the level 10 here. So now I'm done with this. So I have my window indicator. I have my indicator 1 here now. All right. I have my indicator 1 here now, right? So the next indicator I'm going to be adding here is called the margin. It's called the margin, which is here. So you can use the default, okay? Don't even touch anything. So use default, all right? So it should have things like this, all right? If you want to touch anything, you should maybe think of the colors. If you don't like, if you're not comfortable with this color I'm using. So, but every other thing should be as the default. Okay, default. So I'm done with this. So I've got my indicator window 1 looks this way now, right? So the next indicator I'm adding here now is going to be the moving average, which is here. So the period should be 2 and shift 0. And method should be exponential, and apply to close, and styles, I'm using a color black, right? So you can use any color of your choice here. I'm with page 4, which I want my line to be more visible. All right, so I'm done with this look now. Okay, I'm done with this. So what is now left is knowing when to buy and when to sell. Okay, and I want to say to you again, please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos. And if you want to join the VIP group, you can call in for that. If you want to join you want me to mentor you, you can call in for that. If you want me to manage your account, you can call in for that. I also have a free Telegram link to which sometimes I drop signal once in a while, and you also see a lot of results that we have from the VIP that is coming up, and every other thing in there too. And you should know that we are in for business. We are not joking. Okay, we want to get this money, want to make this money and live a good life. So that's why we put in the time and make sure we have good reason why we trade, why we enter a trade. You know, well, I want to have good reason why we enter a trade. So you can see this. All right. So my setting is complete. I want to tell you with what is happening already. You can see this is a fix we are talking about. So what really matters here is the price action. The price action will actually help you very much, very much well. Okay, you know, the price action will be able to, you know, tell you when the trend is on a downtrend or when the trend is on an uptrend. All right, so that's why the price action is much better. And how do you watch out for that? You can analyze the market from a higher time frame to a lower time frame and see what the market looks like. And here, this indicator too is here to help us out. So here now, this level 90 is the oversold level, and level 10 is the overbought level. So we want to see this trend. We want to be patient, because whatever we are doing here is about patience. We want to apply more, pretty patient, and wait for these things to get to this area, so we can easily trade with knowing that we are winning with this one. Okay, so don't trade out of I just want to trade. You don't be too quick to enter trade, but exercise patience. All right, so you can enter the trade at the right place. So here now, you can see what happened here now. I don't want to waste time. Let's rush so I don't keep this video for a long time. So now you can see what happened here now. So this is the point I am trying to let you know. With the price action, having go to your higher time frame and check the price. So you also wait for this, come to this indicator window 1. This is the first condition. All right. So you wait here. See this moving average and the marked in line to twist at this oversold level. This oversold level, which is here, this is the oversold level, the 90 level is the oversold level. So let these two lines, the mark there and the moving average, let that be twist like what we are seeing here along this area. And then you can see, you can easily enter the market from there. And I can assure you that you can make good profit from there and trade. See, the market sold all the way down there, sold up there, you can see sold up there, all here, you can see that, down, you can see that, so it's going down. So that is it. So let's not talk about when to also, let me show you more, let me backtest and show you. This is what I'm saying. You can also see here, the twisted here, and see, it's such a powerful strategy. So if you want to buy now, you can as well wait for this to get to this overbought level where you see this two line tweets, you know, and you can see the market bought all the way down there. You can see that. So what I'm saying, this is the first condition we're looking for. This is the first condition. Wait for this market to get to this level, all right? To this level. This is level 10. Okay, then you can enter, let the two line tweets, and then you can buy from there. All right. So if I backtest, you can see it has been happening so many times. So it's such a powerful strategy. So the good thing, you can use this for any of the volatility pairs. So I'm going to leave you here now, and I want to wish you well in your success, and trade with patience. So I want to say goodbye to you guys.